Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can fix if you're having the pop-up error that you need the administrator permission to access any file, copy any file or delete any file. So I'm going to show the what is the solution. Okay, so first we need to go in the settings, go to the settings and go to the account. So here you need to check your current account. So it is not administrator like this, then your account is not administrator. You need to switch your account. If you have many accounts in your PC, then you can switch to your administrator account, or you can change your current role of your account. So my current role is administrator. So if you have any other like standard user, something like this, you need to change it. So how can do this? Come here, go to the other user. So this is my current user and we have the another user which is SS. So you can see this account tab is local account. If I go here, this is a standard user. Okay, and we need to make it administrator. Okay, so if you are using your account which has the standard user options, then you need to come here and change that account type and make it administrator only and click on OK. Then your current user will be administrator. Now you can go and try to delete your files or move your files. It will be 100% work. Okay, so that is the process. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.